Welcome to CarSimple.Online, where we're going to talk about why, if you want a sporty sedan that delivers performance and size at a reasonable price, you should consider the 2015 Audi S3, which is the first year that Audi introduced their S-tier sports four-door sedan car with Quattro all-wheel drive in the United States. That was a mouthful. Back when it first got released, it was considered an overpriced sporty sedan that delivered quick speeds to its 0 to 60 and good performance with the adequate engine purr, but it was held back by its initial price. Let us show you why now is the right time to take a second look at the Audi 2015 S3 model. The 0 to 60 is quick, clocking in at about 4.7 seconds, which is the sweet spot of being under the 5-second mark. And the fact that it does all this while being a four-door, four-cylinder sedan is quite impressive. It has a 6-gear speed transmission with about 290 plus horsepower, bringing you turbo 2.0 liter all-wheel drive performance that for those speed fanatics that don't want to be completely crippled during the snow season will appreciate all that power and performance being available for use all year round, thanks to the Quattro Audi all-wheel drive. It comes to weight about 3,500 pounds, which brings you an APG of 23 city and 31 highway. And don't forget the quad exhaust make for a satisfying rattle. Take a peek. The Audi S3 comes with different driving modes for those times when speed is not a priority and you would rather keep the cabin and ride a bit more, let's say, comfortable for a night out with a special someone rather than hanging out with the bros. For remember, there's a time and a driving mode for everything. The 2015 Audi S3 was pricey back when it first came out in the United States, but with time now the car has become sort of a bang for your buck when it comes to performance four-door luxury sedans that doesn't break wallets and provides speed and look for speedy drivers that don't want to be limited by the snow season, which two-wheel drivers are all too familiar with. And with a 5-star NHTSA safety crash rating, you can rest assured you're safely riding the pavement. We at CarSimple can recommend the 2015 Audi S3, and that's why we invite you to check out our inventory at CarSimpleOnline.com, where we might have one or another similar car just for you. Because buying a car at CarSimple, it's just that simple.